Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Bumpboxx Flare 8 Limited Edition Notorious BIG and Snoop Dogg version. Now, you can pick these up from Bumpboxx.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price for the big version, $400. The price for the Snoop Dogg version, $420. You get it? Snoop Dogg, $420. Puff, puff, pass. I respect that. Now, this is not going to be a long video. I already did a thorough review on the Flare 8, and that speaker is a major go. All right, I'll leave a link for that up in the description. I got the red one and the graffiti one. I'll show you what they look like real quick. But for this video, I'm just going to unbox them, and we'll do a little sound test. But y'all need to see the Notorious BIG and the Snoop Dogg versions. All right, so here we go. So this is what the box is going to look like. Let me show you the ones I got already. All right, so here's the red Flare 8. Now, y'all know red is my favorite color. This is the one I keep in the trunk of my car. I love it. Check this out. All right, now let me show you the next one. All right, next up, we got the graffiti version. Now, I'm old school, and I'm from New York, so I'm all about that graffiti life. This one is sick. All right, this is a classic look. Check this one out. Let me show you what the back looks like. Now, I love the retro graffiti look. This is so tough. All right, take a look at the front one more time. Now, just in case I come out of retirement and start breakdancing again, I'm going to have this on deck. All right, so the graffiti version, this is sick. All right, so now for the main event. Here's the Bumpboxx Notorious BIG. And on a side note, I was born in Brooklyn, so whenever I hear Biggie, I get a warm, fuzzy feeling inside. I'm already starting to get hyped. Check out the box. Nice, clean, white box. Giggity. Let's see what's inside. Now, inside the box, for every Flare 8, you're going to get your usual books and shit. You got the plug. You got a shoulder strap. Your Bumpboxx troll stickers. You got a little carrying pouch. Remote control. And an aux cable. And you also get a microphone. But check out the mic on this one. It says Notorious BIG. Now let's take a look at the speaker. Birdman hands rubbing together. Here it is. Bumpboxx Flare 8, Notorious B.I.G. Now, if you're a fan of Biggie, you know what this is. This is artwork from his original album cover. So on one speaker, it's a picture of him as a baby. And on another speaker, it says, "It was all a dream." Y'all know from the song Juicy. Let this sink in. I am feeling this. Let's take a look at the back. Now, the back of the speaker looks like the original CD. So you got a picture of the legendary Biggie Smalls, and you got all of the songs from the album. Now, whenever I play that album, I take it straight to song number 10, Juicy. That's one of my favorite rap songs of all times, all right? Whenever that song comes on, I don't care how I'm feeling, I got to stop, listen to it, and feel good, all right? That's my joint. Let this one sink in for a minute. Now, let me show you the top. All right, now, if you was paying attention, when you seen the red one and the graffiti version, both of them have that shiny chrome handle on the top. This one is matte black, and it says Notorious B.I.G. You got all your LEDs, and it lights up on the front. Let me power it up. Okay, now, of course, you got all your standard controls on the side. So let's hit that power button. There it is. All right, now, it's hard to see on camera, but that big B logo in the middle does light up, and so do the LEDs. Now, here's the original album cover. Same baby pictures, same red and white theme. I got my favorite song queued up.
That told me I never...
YouTube copyrights, I can't play it. I want to rock this so bad. But anyway, you get the idea. All right, so here's one of the Notorious B.I.G. versions. Let this one sink in. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got another Bumpboxx Flare 8 Notorious B.I.G. version. Now, this one comes in a nice black box. Giggity. Let's open it up. All right, check this one out. Now, in one speaker, you got the same iconic baby picture. And the other side, you got another one of my favorite songs, Ready to Die. This one has that red and black theme, which is going in my car immediately. You got the red and black mic that does say Notorious B.I.G. on it. And let me zoom in. Look closely. You see it says Brooklyn embedded into that pattern in the back? This is so sick right here. Same matte black carrying handle on the top. And again, just the red and black theme. I'm loving this one right here. Let me show you the back. Okay, so let's check out the artwork. Let that sink in. Let's take it to the top. Okay, so you got the Notorious BIG with the Brooklyn theme. All right, so here's the front one more time. And on a side note, it might seem like I'm getting extra hype, but I lived through this era of music, so this is right up my alley. Check it out, Notorious BIG, Bumpboxx Flare 8. Let's keep it moving. All right, so now let's take a look at the Snoop Dogg version. Now inside, you got the same pouch with the plug, the book, the remote, but look at the shoulder strap. It says Bumpboxx, Snoop Dogg. And on the mic, you got Snoop Dogg. Snoop D-O-G-G. Oh, Lord. Every time I hear Snoop Dogg now, I think about that Nate Robinson fight. Oh, Lord. Check this out. Now, I went and got the original Snoop Dogg Doggy Style CD. Okay? Watch this. All right, y'all remember the album cover? Check this out. Bang! The Snoop D-O-G-G Bumpboxx Flare 8. Now, quick story. Believe it or not, this was actually the first CD that I ever bought with my own money. Not this particular one, but this CD right here. The Snoop Dogg. I was a little kid when this came out. I had a little job at McDonald's. I was going to see my cousin in Atlanta. I had a CD player. I had enough money to buy 2 CDs. So I bought this one, and I bought the Wu-Tang Clan. So this has a special place in my heart. All right, so let this one sink in. On one speaker, you got Snoop. On the other side, D-O-G-G. Oh, Lord. All right, shout out to Nate Robinson. I'm a New York City Knicks fan forever, but damn, Nate, you got knocked the fuck out. Let's take it to the back. Now, check out the artwork on the back of the speaker. And if you look closely, it's the same artwork from the CD cover. This is dope. Now, on the top, it says, "Why must I feel like that? Why must I chase the cat? Nothing but the dog in me." But you gotta say it like the song. Why must I feel like that? Why must I chase the cat? Nothing but the dog in me. Woo! Let's go. All right, now the Bumpboxx logo does light up in the middle. And for this one, I'm gonna give y'all a little sound test. Of course, I got the Flossy Carter sound test by my homeboy Mark Rubier. Let's get it on.
Yo, sound test, time for sound test. Everybody shut your mouth, time for sound test. Time to test that quality of sound test. How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound now? How's it sound now? Does it sound big? Does it sound loud?
How's the bass, baby? How's the treble on it? How's it sound now? How's it sound now?
That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. Sound test. That's a sound test, baby. That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. How's the sound on that shit? God damn it, holla. How's the sound, white shoes? How's the sound on it? How's the sound, baby? That's a sound test.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mark Rubier. Let's wrap this up. All right, so we got the Bumpboxx Flare 8, Notorious B.I.G., and Snoop Dogg version. Now, if you like these, don't forget to check out my full review so you can see all of the specs and check out all of the features. But like I said, these are a major, major, major go. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. And one more thing. Now, you remember I did the Bumpboxx Retro Pager? Check this out. It also comes in the Notorious B.I.G. version and a bunch of different colors. All right, here's how it looks. Now, I did a full review on this. I'll leave a link for that up in the description. This is the perfect gift right here. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spot one to beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.